So how to install iOS 18 Vita on your iPhone? So if you go to your iPhone device, then you can only see the iOS 7.5. So to enable your ISO 18, you have to log into your developer Apple Apple developer website. This is it. You have to log into with your current Apple ID. So l- top left corner you can see the account option. Then you can see the login area. Just log into with your Apple ID. Then you can see this kind of interface. You have to press on yes and press on submit, and then you can see this kind of interface, and that's mean it's done. And now you have to turn off and turn on, means restart your iPhone. So I am restarting my iPhone. And once done, then go to your setting again, go to general, software update, and then you can see the beta update is available now. Now you have to install 18 or 17. I am installing the 18. Then unable to record. Actually I have it's need some space, so I need to delete some image or video from our from my phone. It's need a 14.41 gigabyte available, so I am deleting some image now. And once done, now it's appear now. Update, press on update, and and within 1 or 2 minutes your update will be start downloading. So this is how you can easily install your 18 beta on your any iPhone. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.